GCash may not work properly on older Android phones due to app updates, software issues, or cache problems. But by following these simple steps, you can fix it quickly. Step 1. Try using GCash on another phone. Sometimes, the problem is specific to your Android 4.4 device. Logging in on a different phone can help you continue your transactions while we fix your main device. Step 2. Update your GCash app. Open the Google Play Store, search for GCash, and click Update. Running the latest version ensures your app is compatible with Android and fixes common bugs. Step 3. Update your phone software. Go to Settings, About Phone, then Software Update. Installing the latest Android updates can fix compatibility issues and make apps like GCash run smoothly. Step 4. Clear the GCash cache. Go to Settings, Apps, GCash Storage, Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the app to crash or malfunction. Step 5. Clear GCash data. This is a more powerful fix than clearing cache. Go to Settings, Apps, GCash Storage, Clear Data. Keep in mind, this will log you out, so you need your MPIN and registered number to log back in. Step 6. Use a downgraded version of GCash. Sometimes, older versions work better on Android 4.4. But this is not recommended due to security risks. Only try this if nothing else works, and always download APKs from trusted sources. And that's it. These 6 steps should fix GCash on your Android 4.4 device. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear which step worked for you.